We're lying on my bed with 5 hours to go. Fingers entwined, and so were our minds crying. I don't want you to go. You wiped away tears, but not fears, under the still and clear indigo. You said, baby, don't cry, we'll be fine. You're the one thing I swear I can't outgrow. My mother said the younger me was a pretending prodigy, when nothing then much has changed. Cause while you're wolfing down liquor, my soul, it gets sicker. But I'm sticking to the screenplay. Gotta say I'm okay, but answer this, babe. How is it now that somehow you're a stranger? You were mine just yesterday. I pray the block in my airway dissipates and instead deters your airplanes away. But heaven denied, destiny decried, something beautiful died too soon. But I'm letting go. I'm giving up the ghost. But don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song. I guess this is where we say goodbye. Yeah, I know I'll be alright. Someday I'll be fine, but just not tonight. Plunging into all kinds of diversions, like blush wine and sonorous soirees. But even with gin and surging adrenaline, I see you're all that can intoxicate. Oh, oceans and engines, you're skilled at infringing on great love affairs. Cause now my heart's home, all I've known is long gone, and 10,000 miles away, and I'm not okay. But I'm letting go. I'm giving up the ghost. But don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song. I guess this is where we say goodbye. I know I'll be alright, but just not tonight. Was the first time I stared into seas of beguiling sepia 2 years ago, and the first time I learned real world superpowers lived in 3 words. They revitalized my frame and bones. Oh, now what do you do when your pillow crumbled down? You've lost all solid ground, both dreams and demons drowned in this void's all you found, and doubts lighted aglow. I have so many questions, but I'm pouring them into the ocean, and I'm starting up my engine. But I'm letting go. I'm giving up the ghost. But don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song. And I'm letting go. I'm giving up your ghost. It's come to a close. lost love. Credits to the owner of the song, and subscribe to J Ronix Reworks.